Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In our previous video, we have learned about how to use arithmetic operators in C. In this video, we will learn about how to use relational operators in C. Relational operators are used to compare the values of the variables. Following are the relational operators in C. First one is less than operator. It checks whether the first number is smaller than the second number. The second operator is the greater than operator. It checks whether the first number is greater than the second number. The third operator is the less than or equal to operator. It checks if the first value is smaller or at least equal to the second value. The fourth operator is greater than or equal to operator. It checks if the first value is greater than or at least equal to the second value. The fifth operator is equals to operator. It checks the first number is equals to the second number. Please note that in the programming, single equal to means assignment operator. It assigns the value to the variable. And the double equal to is the equals to operator, which compares two numbers are equal or not. And finally, the sixth operator, not equal to operator. It checks whether the two numbers should not be equal. Let's see these operators in action with an example program. In my VS Code, I am creating an C program named relational.c. I am adding the header file stdio.h as I am going to use the printf. Next, I am creating the main function of the program. And I am creating an integer variable a and assigning 5 as the value. I am declaring another integer variable b and assigning 6 as the value. Next, I am creating third integer variable c, and for this variable, I am assigning a condition a is lesser than b. Here, I am using the less than operator for creating this condition. If the condition is true, 1 will be assigned to c, or else 0 will be assigned to c. 1 means condition is satisfied. 0 means condition is failed. Next, let's print the value of c in the printf. Add return 0 to mention end of the program. Let's save the program using Ctrl S. And to compile the program in the terminal window, I am typing gcc space relational.c, then plus enter. To run the program in the same terminal window, let's type ./a.exe as we are in the Windows. In the output, we can see the result as 1. This means the condition is satisfied. Because 5 is less than 6, so a is lesser than b is true. Now, let's change the condition to a is greater than b. Let's check the output now. We got 0. This means the condition is failed because 5 is not greater than 6. Next, let's change the operator to equals to operator. And in the output, we got 0. Here the condition failed because 5 is not equal to 6. Let's try changing the value of a to 6. Now we got the output 1 because 6 is equal to 6. Now let's change the operator to not equal to. The output is 0. The condition failed because 6 is equal to 6. So let's change the value of a to 7. Now we got 1. So the condition satisfied as the two numbers are different number. Now let's change the operator to greater than or equal to operator. We got 1 because a with 7 is greater than b with 6. Let's change the value of a to 6. We got 1 because a is not bigger than b, but a is equal to b. So the condition is true. Now let's try changing the value of a to 5. Here we got 0 because a is not greater than b, also it's not at least equal to b. Now let's change the operator to less than or equal to operator. In the output we got 1 because 5 is lesser than 6 where the condition is true. Let's change the value of a to 6. The output is still 1 because a is equal to b, so the condition is true. Now let's update the value of a to 7. The output will be 0 because a is not lesser than b, also it's not equal to b. So in this video we saw what are all the relational operators and how to use it. In our upcoming videos we will see its real-time usages. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and please subscribe if you are new to the channel. See you all in the next video. Thank you.